Okay, so we're going to start multiplying a two-digit number by a two-digit number using the traditional method of multiplication. The problem we're going to do is 43 times 35. We'll start by multiplying the 5 by the 43. So we're going to start with 5 times 3, which is 15. We write the 5 down here, and we carry the extra 10 up here as a 1. Then we do 5 times 40, which gives us 200. Add the 10 in, which is 210, and we write the 21 down here. Then we move on to the tens place. So we cross off the 1 on the top. And since we've moved on to the tens place, we put a 0 in the 1 spot down here. We start by doing the 30 times the 3, which gives us 90. So we write the 9 down here, and we have nothing to carry. And then we move on to the 30 times the 40, which gives us 1,200. Now we add up both of our answers. 5 plus 0 gives us 5. 1 plus 9 gives us 10. We write the 0 down here, carry the extra 1. Add up those three numbers. The 1 plus the 2 plus the 2 gives us a total of 5. And the last spot which gives us a 1. And our answer is 1,505. Now we're going to do the same problem, 43 times 35, using the lattice method of multiplication. Since it's a two-digit by two-digit problem, we draw a 2 by 2 box, and we cut each part into triangles. We make sure to remind ourselves that the top is always for the 10 spot and the bottom is for the 1 spot. We write our problem out, 43 times 35. And we can fill in the boxes in any order we like. So we'll start with the 4 by 3 box. 4 times 3 is 12. We write the 1 on the top, the 2 on the bottom. We can move to the box right underneath, 4 times 5, which is 20. 2 on top, 0 on the bottom. We'll move over to the 3 times 3 box, which gives us a total of 9, which has 0 tens and 9 ones. Then we move to the last box underneath, 3 times 5, which is 15. A 1 on top, and a 5 on the bottom. Now we highlight our diagonals in different colors to remind ourselves to add diagonally, and we start adding. Underneath the first diagonal we only have a 5, we write down the 5. We move over to the second diagonal, and we have a 9, a 1, and a 0, which adds up to 10. We write our 0 down here and carry the extra 1 into the next section right on top. Then we add up the 4 numbers there, the 1, the 0, the 2, and the 2, which gives us a total of 5. And then we add in our last number on top, which is a 1, and we read this going down like that, which gives us a total of 1,505. Okay, now we're going to move on to our third method of multiplication and do the same problem, 43 times 35. Since it's a two-digit by two-digit, we draw a 2 by 2 box. We write it out in expanded form, the 40 and the 3, and the 30 and the 5. Now we fill in the boxes in any order that we wish, and we write the answer to each corresponding multiplication in the box. 3 times 30 will give us 90. 3 times 5 will give us 15. Moving on to the next part, 40 times 30 will give us 1,200. And 40 times 5 will give us 200. Now we have to add up the answers in all 4 boxes. You can add up vertically first by doing the 90 plus the 15, which gives you a total of 105. You can add up the 1,200 and the 200 together to give you a total of 1,400. And then you can add up the 2 numbers horizontally. If it helps you, write them out vertically on the side, like this. And once you've added it all up, the answer is 1,505.